Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. NCB has reported profits for the first quarter of its financial year, which showed the bank's performance continuing for the nation's largest bank. The bank showed profits which amounted to $4.6 billion for the 3 months October to December. The outturn was $1 billion more than was recorded for the same period a year ago. NCB says it was earned on strong performances across the company. CWC Kala has extended the timeline for cable and wireless shareholders to accept its offer to purchase their holdings. The new deadline for accepting the offer is now February 28. No reason was offered for extending the deadline. CWC Kala, which along with its subsidiary Kelfenora owns 82% of cable and wireless, has offered to purchase all the shares it does not own for $1.45 each. The offer is worth $4.4 billion. CWC Kala has signaled an intention to take the company private if it is successful. Finance Minister Audley Shaw continues to underscore the economic benefits of sticking to the terms of the agreement with the International Monetary Fund, IMF. His latest comment was at the Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference hosted by the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
We have access to another $1.6 billion if we need it. And because we have passed the past two tests, we already have access to almost 800 million of that. Half of it, we have access to it if we need it.
Now, his latest comment, as I said, was at the Regional Investment Capital Markets Conference, which was hosted by the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $125.10. The Canadian dollar is selling for $105.41. The pound sterling is going for $178.15, while the euro costs $152.47. The Bank of Jamaica has taken steps to increase the availability of US dollars in the market. The amount of US dollars authorized dealers and cambios are required to surrender to it each day will be reduced by 5 percentage points. The BOJ says this will improve liquidity conditions in the foreign exchange market and contribute to its deepening. It says it will continue to review market conditions and other factors to determine further reductions in the future to enhance its management of the foreign exchange market. The JSE index gained more than 865 points today, while the junior market index gained more than 2. The winners of the day included Barita Investments, Cable and Wireless, Siboney Group, General Accident, Jamaican Teas, Main Event Entertainment, Panjam, Sagicor Group, and Wisynco Group. On the losing end were Access Financial, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Lasco Manufacturing, and Seprod. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.